All right, 31. All right, they give us a relation again. They want to know what the range is. All right, so each point has an x and a y. We forget which one's the domain of range. Who do we call?
The doctor.
Call the doctor and ask him. He'll tell you the range is the y's. Try to put them in numerical order and don't repeat. Oh Lord.
Can you do this after you're done, or just write something real quick? Like, she's great. You did it before.
What is this for?
Senior class counselor.
This is more important than TA, isn't it?
Can't you just put she is great?
Is that what you want me to put?
Yeah, that's great.
Who's this for?
Or just make up some stuff. The senior class counselor is from Miss Woolley.
Well, then go away. I'll get it done later.
Okay.
Thanks for interrupting my video.
Welcome.
Okay. Questions on 31? Okay, 32. Same thing, same relation. They want to know what the range of the inverse is. If we're given a relation, what would be the inverse of that?
X.
Yeah, we just switch the x and the y. So the range of the inverse would end up being the domain of the original one, so it'll be -3, -1, 1. Questions? All right, 33. Which is the graph shown? We've got vertical asymptotes here and here, right? What's the equation of this vertical asymptote? This one here. X equals 1. What's the equation of this vertical asymptote? X equals -3. So which denominator would represent that?
Left C.
It'd be C, wouldn't it? That's where we'll find our vertical asymptotes in the denominator, right? Any questions on that? All right, 34. They want the domain of the inverse. All right, so where would I find the domain? What would the domain of the inverse of this be? It'd be the ranges, right? Yes, sir.
So since they want since the domains are the x's and they want the inverse of that, they take the y's.
Yes. All right, 35. Alright, they wanna know what the vertical asymptotes and the domain. Well, let's factor that numerator first. What would that factor into? X plus 2 and x minus 1 over x plus 6. Alright, so nothing will cancel out, so we have no holes. So my vertical asymptote is going to be x equals
6.
-6, right? Whatever makes the denominator equal to 0.
Domain is -2 and -1.
And then for the domain, we just got to look out for any restrictions, right? And you know we can never divide by 0. So x can never be -6. So it's all real numbers. X can't equal -6. Any questions on 35? Haley?